Hi guys, this is Shweta from Maths Baron. So we are here with another new topic called angles. Okay, now this is meant for class 7 IGCSE. Okay, but then see, these concepts are even there in CBSE and ICSE also. Okay, but then specifically it is for IGCSE. Okay, so what is an angle? So an angle is an inclination between two lines. What does that mean? That means that when two lines are inclined, okay, with each other, okay, so then it makes an angle. Okay, now take the example of a triangle. Okay, so if you see here, there are three lines which are inclined to each other. Okay, now if somebody asks you what is the sum of the angles of a triangle, okay, many of you will be already aware that it is equal to 180 degree, but then how do you find it out? So what you do is you snip all the three sides. Okay, and once you snip the sides, okay, you arrange it. When you arrange it, you will get something like this, in this form. Now when you see this, what? This is a straight line. Okay, now this straight line, what is the measure of a straight line? It is 180 degree. So hence we can prove that angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equal to 180 degree. So any kind of a triangle, okay, whether it's an obtuse angle triangle or it's an acute angle triangle or an equilateral triangle, the sum of the angles of the triangle is always equal to 180 degree. Okay, so we are going to learn some of the properties of parallel line. Okay, now here I have drawn two lines M and L. Okay, and N is the transversal. So see here, L and M are parallel lines and N is the transversal in such a way that it forms 8 angles: A, B, C, D, E, F, G and H. Okay, now so since M and L are parallel lines and N is the transversal, so we have the following properties. Okay, so first let's see which are vertically opposite angles. So you know that, right? Vertically opposite angles are whenever two lines intersect. Okay, so they form two pairs of vertically opposite angle. So here these two lines are intersecting. So these are the two pairs of angle formed here. So angle A is equal to angle C and angle B is equal to angle D in this side. Okay, same thing here, angle F is equal to angle H and angle E is equal to angle G. Okay, so these are four pairs of vertically opposite angle. Okay, now this is two parallel lines. So M is parallel to L, okay, and N is the transversal. So there is another property which says that angles on the same side of transversal will always add to 180 degree. So what does that mean is, see, M and L are parallel lines and N is the transversal. So what are the angles on the same side? So C and E are the angles on this side of transversal. Okay, then D and F are the angles on this side of the transversal. Okay, so that means angle C plus angle E is equal to 180 degree, and similarly angle D plus angle F is equal to 180 degree. Okay, so let's learn about some more angles. So these are another angles which are formed when there are two lines are parallel. Okay, so one is alternate interior angle. Okay, so what does that mean is, angle D is equal to angle E. Why it is called interior? Because if you see D and E and C and F, okay, they lie inside the transversal. This is the inside space. Okay, so that's why they call alternate interior. So angle D is equal to angle E and angle C is equal to angle F. Okay, and they are called alternate interior angles. Okay, now after this we have four pairs of corresponding angle. Whenever there are two lines are parallel and one is transversal, there are four pairs of corresponding angle. Okay, so what is corresponding angle? So always you have to take this rule in mind. If it is up, okay, so this is outward, so this will be inward. So angle B is equal to angle E. Angle is inside the transversal, but B is outside the transversal. So that is the thing you have to keep in mind. Same thing about angle A and angle F. Okay, one is outside, another is inside. Now same thing you can take. So for angle H, right, what will be the corresponding? Angle C. And for angle G, what will be equal? Angle D. So these are corresponding angle and these are alternate interior angle. Okay. So to sum up, what we have understood here is when two lines are parallel and there is a transversal, okay, there are many angles are formed, okay, and we can use the property of alternate interior angle, corresponding angle and alternate angle to find the angles. Okay, if one angle is given, we can find all the other angles. So we'll do one example so that you understand what I was talking about. Okay, so we are here with one angle problem. Okay, so these are two lines. Okay, KL and MN. Okay, these two lines are parallel. Okay, and this is a transversal which is cutting across these two lines. Okay, so in this figure you have to find angle A, B, C and D. Okay, so how will you attempt this? So what is given? KL is parallel to MN. Okay, so first you have to understand these are angles on the same side of transversal. Okay, angle D and this angle, which is, let's call it E. Okay, and this is equal to 136 degree. So angle D plus angle E is equal to 136 degree. And these two add up to 180, okay, because angles on the same side of transversal add up to 180. So using this you can calculate angle D. Now angle D will be 180 minus 136, which is 44. Okay. Now, so we have to find angle A and B. Now angle A is equal to angle E. Why? Because they are alternate interior angles. So I'm just drawing this. These are alternate interior angles. Okay. So angle A is equal to angle E. So angle A is equal to 136 degree. Okay. So you can write angle A is equal to 136 degree. Okay. Now angle B is equal to angle D. Why? Because they are vertically opposite angle. These two lines, if you see, they are intersecting here and they are forming this pair of vertically opposite angle. Okay, so using that you calculate angle B equal to 44 degree. So this is how you find A, B, C and D. So we will move to another example. So let's take another example. Okay, so this is one of the question. Okay, so it's a quadrilateral. Okay, and the sides are extended. Okay, now in this question we need to prove that the sum of all these exterior angles which are given here, which is X, Y, Z and W, okay, we need to prove that the sum is equal to 360 degree. Okay, so how will you approach? So first thing let me do is, let's rename the angles inside. Okay, so let's call this as A, B, C and D. Okay, so let's call this angle ABCD. Okay, now you know that in a quadrilateral the sum of the angles is equal to 360 degrees. So that means we can write A plus B plus C plus D is equal to 360. Why? Because sum of the angles of a quadrilateral is 360. Okay. Now what is A here in terms of W? See, this is a straight line. Okay, and the sum of the angles is 180 degrees. So A can be written as 180 minus W. Okay, why? Same thing. So it is 180 minus W. Okay, why? Because A plus W is 180 degree. Angles on a straight line add up to 180 degree. Okay, so 180 W minus 180 minus W. Then B can be written as 180 minus X. Similarly, C can be written as 180 minus Y and G can be written as 180 minus D. Okay, so this is the equation we got. Now when you simplify 180, you need to add this. So it is actually equal to 720. Okay, and minus W minus X minus Y. Okay, and 180 minus, so instead of D we have to write G here. Okay, so it is G. equal to 360. Okay. Now when you simplify this equation, this will come here and this all thing will go here. So that means it becomes w plus x plus y plus g is equal to 360 degree. Hence proved. Okay. So it's a really a simple question. Okay. So any doubts you have in angles, any question you want me to do in the board, please do let me know regarding that. Subscribe to the channel so whenever we publish a new video, you are able to know about it, and I'll be happy to hear from all of you. Thank you so much for watching this.